Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Vallée-Jonction, a lovely small town in Quebec. It's located in the Chaudière-Appalaches region, about 65 kilometers south of Quebec City. This town has a rich history and beautiful natural surroundings that make it a charming place to visit or live. Vallée-Jonction is a peaceful community where people enjoy a quiet and friendly lifestyle. The town is situated at the meeting point of two rivers, the Chaudière River and the Morency River. These rivers add to the town's scenic beauty and provide opportunities for outdoor activities like fishing and canoeing. The town's history is closely tied to the railway. In 1881, a train station called Beauce-Jonction was opened, between Sainte-Marie and Saint-Joseph-de-Beauce. This station became an important stop on the Lévis-Sherbrooke line, when the Quebec Central Railway took over in 1882. Over time, the area developed, and in 1949, the village changed its name to Vallée-Jonction. For those who love outdoor activities, Vallée-Jonction has plenty to offer. In the winter, you can visit Club Ski Beauce, which has 10 ski runs, and 34 kilometers of cross-country skiing and snowshoeing trails. Another exciting spot is the Autodrome Chaudière, a stock car racing track that attracts fans from all over. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Vallée-Jonction, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!